What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we broke this range, the range of support, and it was the lowest point of the price action at the very beginning of September 2021. And with this breakout, we formed its recent swing low, and next range of support that basically might be is the $10 mark. It is the initial price of the SPAC merger of Lucid and CCIV, and from this range we had about 26% to this level, but right now we have very good movement to the upside for more than 30%. And right here I've told you that we have very good price to enter our long-term investment position, because from the fundamental standpoint Lucid is a very attractive company. It has everything that it needs to produce a lot of vehicles that might lead the market in a luxurious segment. And definitely from this range you might be up for about 25 to 30% depending on your entry price. And I have to say that this movement to the upside has mind-blowing volume compared to the previous volume. And we have the highest volume, exactly the same that we had about 5 months ago at the very beginning of January 2022. And definitely it is a very good sign. So what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I will show you in just several minutes. But for now, let's continue with the news. And we don't have major news related to Lucid, but we have minor news that might be very important for some investors. First of all, on their official Twitter page, they posted several tweets, quite interesting tweets. First of all, Steve Wozniak, the founder of Apple, received its new Lucid Air, and he's very happy, as you can see on this picture. And I think it might be very beneficial from the PR standpoint that Steve bought this vehicle. On top of that, on May 14th, we have another very good announcement that Lucid Motors officially landed in Europe. And they wrote, "We're proud to be sharing the most efficient long-range EV with the world, right here in Munich, Germany." And definitely the first studio in Europe is a very significant milestone, because they might reach more and more customers, and definitely this will lead to much higher fundamental numbers. So, on top of that, let me show you the list of institutional investors in Lucid. Right here, first of all, let me show you this chart. We have consistently growing number of institutional owners in this company. And let me show you the most recent one. We have several very good filings, and right here you can see that we have a lot of green rolls on May 13th. And among this list we can see Charles Schwab Investment Management, and they increased their position by 4%, and their total position for now is more than $31.1 million. Next one, Soros Fund Management opened its completely new position with this asset, and for now they own 600,000 shares of Lucid. And on top of that, Northern Trust Corp increased its position by 64.59%, and they own almost $65 million in value. Geode Capital Management added by 3% its position in Lucid, and they own about $154 million in value. And we have a lot of these type of filings. Vanguard Group added by 42.19%, and they own more than $1 billion in Lucid. Next one, Morgan Stanley added its position by 84.86%, and for now they own about $86 million in value in this company. Definitely we have more and more institutional investors who increased or who opened their new positions with the Lucid, and this is a very good sign. On top of that, let me show you the linkedin.com website, and right here you can find how many employees this company has and how many new vacancies they have. For now, Lucid has about 3,641 employees, and previously, just 3 days ago, they had 3,627 employees. This means it is an increase of 14 new employees. Next one, Lucid Motors has 1,397 job openings, and previously they had 1,377 new vacancies. This means they added 20 new vacancies in a matter of just 5 days. Definitely this company is still growing, and the growth is quite impressive. That's why for the long-term perspective this asset might be very attractive from the investor standpoint. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, as I already mentioned, we have very good positive sign that the volume is very high, and this means we might see the trend continuation. And for now, we clearly see only 2 waves, but we have to have 5 waves structure in our motive wave. This means we have to have at least 1 more wave in order to see major retracement, and if it happens, and probably we might break even this range of previous swing high, and if it happens, definitely it will be a very good sign from the technical standpoint that this asset most likely found its bottom. And the more previous swing highs this asset breaks, the more chances that we have this range as the very bottom of this price action. So what should we expect next? For now, definitely we might see the trend continuation, and as I already mentioned, we have to have 5 wave structure in our motive wave. If we will have these 2 waves, and if from this point we will go lower and break this previous swing low, definitely it will be a bearish sign, because 2 wave structure is the structure of the retracement, and that's why we have to see next leg to the upside. And in order to form this leg, we shouldn't overlap the territory of the first wave, if it is the case. And for now we have something like this. This is our first wave, second, third, probably this might be the 4th and 5th wave. And in order not to break Elliott wave theory rule that 3rd wave shouldn't be the shortest, we have to have 5th wave that is shorter than the 3rd one, and this means most likely we won't exceed the previous swing high, and we will break this range only right after we'll have the retracement. So I think for now we have to take a closer look on the top of our first wave. We shouldn't break it in order to remain in the motive wave. And definitely we should form 5 wave structure. And right after that, on the retracement, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom of this price action to the very top, where we will land the top of our 5th wave, we might have the ranges of 0.38 to 0.5 and the golden pocket as the most probable ranges of trend reversal. And from this point, when we will have this trend reversal, it will be another major sign that on a slightly bigger scale we have consistently higher lows. And in this case, we should break all of the previous swing highs in order to establish a new uptrend. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We are very bullish right now with the Lucid, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.